Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix call failed on your iPhone. So let's get started. So the very first thing you want to verify that up top here you have correct signal. So I'll show you this phone doesn't have signal, that's why it says SOS. But one that does have signal should look something like this. We're going to see the strength of the bars, which indicate here how good of a signal you have, and you can see your carrier as well. If you have that, great. Now moving on to the next troubleshooting steps that you want to do is put your phone in airplane mode briefly by pulling down the control menu, put it on airplane mode for about 10-15 seconds, and then turn it off. And that is a quick network refresh of your cellular network that you have on your phone. Now after that, the next thing you want to go ahead and ensure that you do not have a focus mode turned on. So right here, as you can see here, if I tap on it, if I have do not disturb on, it's going to say on. I'm going to tap on it to turn it off, and any of these other modes as well that can also reduce your functionality of your phone, like being able to call, where you might get call failed on a call, or when you're on a call that someone called you. So you want to turn all of those off as well. And then from there on, the next thing you want to go ahead and check out is that the number that you are trying to call maybe or getting a call from is not on your block list. So in order to check that, you're going to go into your setting on your iPhone. From the main settings here, you're going to scroll down until you see apps, and then you're going to go down here to the phone setting app. So we're going to tap on phone here, right? And then from there on, you're going to scroll down until you see block contact. You're going to click on that list, and then from there on, if you click on, you're going to go through this list. Just make sure there's not a number. If you need to remove a number from the block list, simply swipe to your left and then click on unblock, and that will go ahead and unblock them. Now once you have done that, the other thing also to make sure along with that is you do not have a network setting issue. So for the next thing you want to do in your settings here, you're going to go to settings, then go ahead into your general. Here, scroll down where you have transfer or reset iPhone. You're going to tap on that, click on reset, and you're going to do a network reset. Basically a network reset or reset things like your saved Wi-Fi, any Bluetooth connected devices, any issues that could be causing the network basically not to work. It will not delete any of your data, so all of your photos, videos, apps will be safe. So you're going to go ahead and do that. Now this will take about a minute or so to do. Once you have done that, the next thing to check out also from your main settings here, go to general and then up over to VPN and device management. If you have turned on a VPN recently, I recommend turning that VPN off or removing it. And if call works, you know that that is the issue. So you want to check out that VPN isn't interfering with your phone setting. Now along with that, the next thing you want to go ahead and check out and do on your phone is this method. You're going to quickly press and release the volume up, quickly press and release the volume down. Hold on to the side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appear. Make sure that you do not touch the screen while doing this process. I'll do volume up, volume down, and then I hold on to the side button just like that, and keep on holding on to that side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo reappears on the screen. So as you can see here, I'm holding on to that side button, and I'm going to wait for the Apple logo to reappear. At that time, I let go of that side button. Basically, this is a forced restart, shutting down the phone software and then reloading the code. So if it's a software related issue impacting the phone, it will go ahead and fix this, will not delete any of your data, so you do not have to worry about any of your data getting lost in this process. Now once you're back on, let's go back into our phone here and get back into your phone. The next thing you want to go ahead and verify is that there is no outage in your carrier network. Usually sometimes that happens. There could be a network issue, and for that case you'll have to contact your carrier somehow. Either you can look it up on the internet, so look for whatever your service you have. For example, if you have T-Mobile, just look for T-Mobile outage, or if you have AT&T outage, and then look to see if there's an outage going on. Usually a website like Down Detector and other websites will give you an idea if there is an outage going on. If there is, you just have to wait it out till your carrier fixes, or contact them using another phone to make sure it's not an issue they can go ahead and fix. And by doing all this, I hope your call fail is fixed on your iPhone. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button. Also, if you found another solution for this problem, do share it with everyone in the comment section. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.